My name is Josh McGurk. I am a massage and yoga therapist in Denver, and I have a lot of male clients who are coming to me with pelvic floor issues like erectile dysfunction, like prostate cancers, like low testosterone, like severe constipation, like colorectal cancers, like even testicular cancers, or even hernias. And I wanted to put together a men's online resource, a pelvic floor conference, where guys could go in and they could hear from me and from a number of other practitioners how you can take care of a lot of these issues yourself with diet, with exercise, with movement, and with a team of healers that is not necessarily going to suggest that you get surgeries or that you take a lot of pharmaceuticals. A lot of this is about just the self-care that you can do daily. So I wanted to bring this information to you this June through the whole month. You'd have access to watch all the videos from the comfort of your own home when and where you'd like, and get all that information on all the additional resources from all of these people for $100. So if you're interested in that, check out jlmtherapeutics.com under the workshops tab. There's a bit there called MOPFC, which is the Men's Online Pelvic Floor Conference, and I look forward to seeing you in June.